is our Holy Trinity collection of the McLaren P1, the Porsche 918, and the Ferrari LaFerrari. All of these are one-of-one specs. Our estimate is $5,250 on this, $4,500 on this, and $2,500 on the P1. So we'll see what Friday brings, if we sell 3 cars or if we still own 3 great cars at the end of the week.
All one-of-one specs, just absolutely insane to see in person. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going and checking out an insane one-of-one Holy Trinity of hypercars over at Silver Arrow. So let's go ahead and run over there. All right, guys, we're out here for a little viewing of the Trinity from Silver Arrow. We got the P1, the 918, and the LaFerrari. All crazy. I believe they're all one-of-one specs too.
I'm Tim Quaxister. I started Silver Arrow Cars in 2001, and here is our Holy Trinity collection of the McLaren P1, the Porsche 918, and the Ferrari LaFerrari. All of these are one-of-one specs. The P1 is the exposed carbon fiber body with a green exposed carbon fiber. The 918 is without paint from the factory with a factory matte black wrap. It's the lightest weight 918 in existence, being a Weissach, and then being without paint, being a further 14 pounds lighter than a standard car. And the LaFerrari is called Blu Elettrico, and LaFerrari is the only Blu Elettrico car in the United States, and one of 3 in the world. The other 2, one's in the UAE and one is in Europe. So all one-of-one specs, all for sale. All are on Bring a Trailer right now. And our estimate is $5,250 on this, $4,500 on this, and $2,500 on the P1. So we'll see what Friday brings, if we sell 3 cars or if we still own 3 great cars at the end of the week.
Beautiful.
It shows that shit on more than the car.
Full green exposed carbon. Who it's signed by? Probably like the engineering team behind the P1 or something. Beautiful though. This lighting's a little rough right now. You can't really make out how crazy this spec is. No, I'm normally a Porsche guy, and as much as I do love the 918, it's hard in the presence of a P1 and a LaFerrari to prefer that.
Sorry about that.
And then the beautiful loft.
Hey, this is John. That camera's quick in the corner. Or you went to the office. Oh, okay, you had work. I mean, I would. I think I wait opposite needs to work too.
What a crazy trio. Sick to be able to see the whole Trinity at once. Fortunately, not the first time I've seen them all together, but these are all one of one spec, which is pretty awesome.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. And I believe they're all on Bring a Trailer for sale right now.
This guy hates Frank. Frank, come on. Can we off them up? Wait, on three? Hi,
Walking in everyone's shots, but that's unfortunately the way it goes with stuff like this. It's all about timing if you want a clear shot. You know, I'm not even a big blue guy when it comes to car paint, but this looks incredible, especially with that interior. Engine bay shot. Beauty.
Well, it's at his house. So they did a drive yesterday. The Club Dodici did a drive, and his XX was there too. But it's not like they're not allowed to like post it. Yeah, I didn't know that valley that they have in there is. Yeah. Dude, there's something under.
This thing is outrageous. Yeah, camera does no justice to that green carbon. Full green carbon inlay too. Crazy.
I don't know. I feel like it's 2,000 old brother. That's crazy. You're looking at me? Everybody's a bit weird. All I'm gonna do is I'm just
excited for the two Cessna Elementals. I'm very excited for those.
Are you guaranteed? Because I've heard two.
There are two. There's going to be multiple two.
If you want it in the sun, you want it like from the car facing the same way like what it's facing right now. But
We can very simply just pull up to that stop.
All right, so we are fortunate enough to be back at Silver Arrow for some private one-on-one time with this insane lineup of the Holy Trinity, all one-of-one specs. Again, these are all currently for sale on Bring a Trailer. This Blu Elettrico Ferrari LaFerrari is projected to get around 5.25 million. This factory-unpainted 1918 Spyder around 4.5 million, and this beautiful green exposed carbon fiber McLaren P1 around 2.5 million. All one-of-one specs, just absolutely insane to see in person. I've seen the Trinity together before, but not these one-of-one specs, which is just incredible. And by the time I have this video uploaded, these cars probably will have already sold. Just depends when I get to editing, but yeah, absolutely insane. Just had a word from Tim about this beautiful Trinity of cars here. Again, all one-of-one specs, all on Bring a Trailer for sale. But we're gonna end the video here, keep it short and sweet. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.